Welcome to our channel. If you want to create and run advertisements on TikTok to promote your business or products, follow these step-by-step instructions for TikTok advertising. Step 1. Visit ads.tiktok.com in your web browser to access the TikTok Ads Manager. Step 2. Click on Get Started and create a TikTok Ads Manager account by providing your business information. Step 3. Complete the registration process by entering your company details, tax information, and payment method. Step 4. Once logged in to Ads Manager, click on Campaign in the top navigation, then click Create to start a new campaign. Step 5. Choose your advertising objectives such as traffic, conversions, app installs, or video views. Step 6. Set your campaign budget by choosing either daily or lifetime budget and entering your spending amount. Step 7. Create an ad group by defining your target audience, including location, age, gender, interests, and device type. Step 8. Set your ad schedule, optimization goal, and bidding strategy for your campaign. Step 9. Upload your ad creative, including video content, ad copy, and call to action button. Preview your ad, then click Submit to send it for review. TikTok will review your ad, and once approved, it will start running. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.